Hello friends, I am Lalita and hearty welcome to my YouTube channel Vbacus. Today I am here again with another IEO Olympiad test for grade 5. Questions are taken from the sample papers and this is a practice test. You must appear for the test sincerely. You will be given 10 seconds for each question. If you can't find the correct option in given time, then you can pause the video and take your own time. If you can't find the correct option, you can see the correct option. Correct option is given after every question. Best of luck. There are 10 questions. Each question will give you 4 possible answers. Keep track of correct answers. Question 1. Complete the word using the letters from the given options. I can't wait to dash wrap my birthday presents. You can see the options and your time starts now. Time is up. Let us see which option is correct. Option D is correct. I can't wait to unwrap my birthday present. Let us go to next question. Question number 2. Complete the sentence with the correct spelling of the word. I like to read dash to my brother. Now options are given. You read the option and choose the correct one. Your time starts now. Time is up. Let us see which option is correct. Option B is correct. Aloud. I like to read aloud to my brother. Let us go to next question. Question number 3. Match the underlined phrase with its correct meaning. Mother tried in vain to make her finish her milk. 4 options are given. Able to do something, using a pipe, unsuccessful efforts, none of these. Your time starts now. Time is up. Let us see which option is correct. Option C is correct. The meaning of in vain is unsuccessful efforts. Let us go to next question. Question number 4. Choose the odd one out. Teacher, student, shopkeeper, customer, carpenter, hammer, mason, scissors. Your time starts now. Time is up. Let us see which one is correct. Option D is correct. Mason, scissors. Because mason does not use scissor. Let us go to next question. Question number 5. Choose the incorrect sentence. Option A. The Amazon River is the largest river in the world. Option B. Sangeeta is watching television. Option C. I will start my course on June. Option D. None of the above. Your time starts now. Time is up. Let us see which one is correct. Option C. This is the incorrect sentence. We will correct it. I will start my course in June. Not on June, it will be in June. Let us go to next question. Question number 6. Choose the correct word. The opposition is not letting the parliament dash with the session. A. Follow. B. Move. C. Continue. D. Go. Your time starts now. Time is up. Let us see which one is correct. Option C is correct, continue. The opposition is not letting the parliament continue with the session. Let us go to next question. Question number 7. Choose the correct word phrase. I get so angry when I see people dash the place. In some countries, police make you pay a fine if they see you doing it. Read the options and your time starts now. Time is up. Let us see which one is correct. Option B is correct. I get so angry when I see people littering the place. In some countries, police make you pay a fine if they see you doing it. Let us go to next question. Question number 8. They agreed amongst dash that they would hold on to the secret. Themselves, himself, them, herself. Your time starts now. Time is up. Let us see which one is correct. Themselves. They agreed amongst themselves that they would hold on to the secret. Let us go to next question. Question 9. Dash I used to have fun with my friends, now I don't. Option A now, option B then, option C earlier, option D somehow. Your time starts now. Time is up. Let us see which one is correct. Option C is correct, earlier. Earlier I used to have fun with my friends, now I don't. Let us go to next question. Question number 10. Filling the blank with the appropriate preposition. The course is dash, the boundary of advanced engineering and science. Your time starts now. Time is up. Let us see which one is correct. Option B is correct, that is in. The course is in the boundary of advanced engineering and science. I hope you have done the test very well. If you have scored 0 to 4 correct, then you are below average. If you have scored 5 to 6 correct, then you are average. If you have scored 7 to 8 correct, then you are smart. If you have scored 9 to 10 correct, then you are genius. And declare yourself genius student. You can write in the comment section also. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.